Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing a baseline. Measure typical traffic so you can spot anomalies fast. Once done, enable rate limiting and straightforward firewall rules to drop abusive connections early. Make sure to register with a reputable DDoS protection provider and add emergency contacts, your ISP and hosting provider, so you can escalate immediately. You'll also want logging in place to capture headers and flow metadata for later analysis. This combination gives you an early defensive posture and the information you need to act. Next, absorb and deflect malicious traffic by putting a CDN or reverse proxy in front of your origin servers, which caches content and filters bad requests. Harden the application layer with CAPTCHA where appropriate, strict request validation, and session limits to prevent resource exhaustion. Simultaneously, run continuous network monitoring with tailored alerts and automated mitigation playbooks so your system can respond quickly to patterns that match previously seen attacks. These middle steps reduce impact, and to finish the response, perform traffic forensics to identify vectors and update firewall rules and signatures to block malicious sources. Scale resources temporarily or engage your provider's scrubbing service to maintain availability, and coordinate with upstream networks to drop attack traffic closer to the source. If things go wrong, check for misconfigurations in ACLs or CDN settings first. Those are common failure points. Finally, document the incident, run a postmortem, and refine your playbook so you're better prepared next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.